How to verify Quotex account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Quotex and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on Account. And here you will land on this verification page. As you can see, there's a note at the top that says Get Verified. In order to avoid service restrictions, please complete the verification process, fill out your personal data, and upload the required documents. So how can we do that? Let us see step by step. From the identity info section, you will see the nickname, which is your account ID. Don't touch that at all. You will have, secondly, the first name field. Type in your first name right here. Then after that, on the next field, type in your last name. As you can see, it says it's not possible to change your surname further. If you indicated it incorrectly, you will not be able to withdraw funds from your account, meaning that you need to write it as it's written in your ID. Don't make mistakes. The next box will be the date of birth, from which you can select the day, the month, and the year of your birth. Once you're done, click on Set to confirm. Then after that, you have the email field, from which when you sign up for a Quotex account, they will send a verification email to your address, this address right here. So you need to go to that email, check the email they sent you, and verify your account. As you can see, it's unverified here. So you need to do that. You need to verify your email. And after that, the next box is the country box, from which there's drop down that you can choose your country. So go ahead and select that. And finally, there's the address, which is basically the address on your ID or something like that. So go ahead and enter it. And once you're done, click on the blue button that says Change Identity Info. Once you do that, your identity info will be saved and verified. And after that, you will move on to the next step, which is the documents verification. As you can see, there's a note right here that says you need to fill identity information before verification your profile, meaning that before this box appears, you need to fill this identity info first. Once you do that, a box will appear right here, which is basically a space that you can enter your upload your ID, pictures of your ID or passport or whatever, something that proves your identity. And once you do that, also you will need to click on the blue button that says Verify Identity. And once you do that, it will take them around, it depends, but they won't take more than 1 day or 48 hours to verify your identity. Usually it's very fast, like half an hour or just 1 hour, and you will be set to go. And that's it. It's very basic process. Just everything is in front of you. You just need to fill out as they told you to, and your account will be verified with no problems. So that was it for this video. That's how you can verify your Quotex account and complete the verification process. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.